Randy, customer 7167, water heater install. We are on the lower level in the garage. There, back here is our T&P at the proper height in CPVC. Here is our water heater. It was a 50-gallon short in there. This is a 50-gallon regular. Luckily the blinds were up nice high. Do have a note on there. The reason there's no blow off here is there is a blow off at the backflow at the meter, and our permit and water is on. And what I'll do for the video to cover myself is show the backflow.
Oh, you got a leak. Full leak.
Water heater. The address for this house is not that street, it's the court next to it because it's where the meter is over here. So permit wise we had to go with the court instead of the drive to get it online. And our main is over there and our meter is right there. And our backflow, there's irrigation and the house, and there is our blow off for the house. So we did not need it at the water heater.